What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay out there? No, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, you are feeling any pain? If you know feel any pain, go check the doctor. As a matter of fact, do not check the doctor by yourself. Make somebody carry you go to the doctor. So that means if in case of anything, somebody can make some arrangement and carry you home or call family members. If I don't want family member carry you. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, who don't see me face how me happy, who don't see me face how me a smile, who don't see me face how me look. Guys, with your help, with your views, with your watching, Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV reach 1 million and more views on YouTube. Yes. Yeah, man. We reach over 1 million views on YouTube. I want to say congratulations to each and every one of you and myself to reach 1 million plus views on YouTube. Guys, reaching 1 million views on YouTube is not a walk in the park. It's not an easy thing to do. It's not like you wake up this morning and you have 1 million views. It takes work, it takes time, it takes good content, it takes more content, it takes a lot of work. Because let me tell you something. Being a YouTuber, a lot of people see YouTube and believe being a YouTuber is a walk in the park, or being a YouTuber is easy. Being a YouTuber is a very hard work because you have to think. You have to have thick skin. You have to go out there, you have to make the content, you have to edit the content, you have to upload the content, you have to make sure the content not have anything that YouTube is going to take it down for. You have to make sure nobody not strike you. So being a YouTuber, being a content creator is very hard. Remember me, I tell you, it is not an easy task. However, there is a lot of ways to become a quick, fast, good YouTuber. To become a 1 million viewers per YouTuber have a lot of work to do too. Guys, I have a video that outlines everything that I did. Everything that I did to able to reach 1 million views within a year. What me just say a while ago, me reach 1 million views less than a year. Remember, YouTube give you a year if you make 4,000 views, correct? I make 1 million plus in 7 months. 7 months. I get monetized in 3 days. So in other words, I get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time in 3 days. 3 days. So I have a video coming out with how I did it. How I get to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time in 3 days, and 1 million plus views on YouTube in a little bit over 7 months. Little bit over 7 months. So this video is coming out, and guys, this video is going to show you how I do it, and a few tips going to be in that video, because there is a lot of ways that you can gain views, that you can do things that will allow you to be making views, getting a lot of views that you wouldn't even believe that you can do. Guys, also I want to say this to each and everyone out there who is watching this video. If you want to start a YouTube channel, somebody on a back. If you want to start a YouTube channel, don't allow no one to stop you from starting a YouTube channel. Don't allow anyone to make you feel like you cannot make it on YouTube. Anybody can make it on YouTube. Anybody can have a YouTube channel that go big if you want it. First, I just go give you a few little tips in this video, but the next video is where everything is. Think about what you want to do. It may not look like something that will take off. It may not look like something that will work, but be you. Be yourself. Do not, and I go say it again, do not try to adapt what somebody else do. Be who you are. And another thing I go tell you, the truth. Tell the truth. If you happen to be doing something and you telling lies, they go catch up on you. Tell the truth. That's one thing I go tell you. If you're going to do vlogging, lifestyle, whatever you're going to do, the truth. Don't, in other words, don't try to be who you're not. Do not try to be who you're not. Again, be you. Be yourself, and I'm telling you, I tell you, it'll go take off. Because once you be yourself, that is important. A lot of people go like you for who you are and not for what you are. So just go out there, be yourself, have fun. Second tip, have fun. Have fun with it. It doesn't matter what you are doing. Have fun with it, because one of the most important things for me is having fun. Sometimes I talk about some things and I tell you the truth, I laugh till a week when I make the video or when I finish make the video. I just laugh because I'm having fun with it. I take it very serious because having a YouTube channel is a business. YouTube is a business. Yeah, remember it says partner. So when you become a YouTuber, you're a partner with YouTube, with Google. So that's a big step. Google is a big deal. So work hard, do the best you can, and again, have fun with what you are doing. If you not have fun with what you are doing, don't do it. Do not do it. If you get up every day and your face look like, oh, jeez, don't do it. Don't do it, because when you do that, the viewers, the subscribers going to see it, and they go feel that same energy that you're putting out. And that energy is not the energy that they go want to watch or want to see it. So they not go watch it. So again, be yourself, tell the truth, and be happy when you are make video. And most of all, have fun with it. With that said, I'm out. Peace and love again. Thank you very much for your million views on YouTube. I'm out. Now say a word. A million.